In this video, you'll learn how to automate LinkedIn user follows using n8n and the ConnectSafely.AI integration. We'll build a complete workflow that reads user data from Google Sheets, fetches profile details using ConnectSafely.AI, automatically follows each user on LinkedIn, updates Google Sheets in real time to track progress. This simple automation saves time, eliminates manual work, and helps you grow your LinkedIn network effortlessly. Let's get started. Start by adding a manual trigger to begin the workflow. Next, add a Google Sheets node and select Get Rows to fetch the list of LinkedIn users from your Google Sheet. When the configuration window opens, authorize your Google account by providing the client ID and client secret, then sign in with Google. Under the Document section, choose the correct Google Sheet containing the LinkedIn user list. Add a filter to fetch only the users with the status pending and enable Return Only First Matching Row. These steps ensure that the workflow processes one user at a time and prevents errors. Execute the step, you'll see that the first matching row is fetched. Next, add an HTTP request node and select Import curl for profile fetching. To get the curl, visit ConnectSafely.AI/docs. Copy the profile fetch curl and paste it into the HTTP node. Under Authentication, select Generic Credential Type, set Generic Auth Type to Bearer Auth, and enter your API key. You can find your API key in your ConnectSafely.AI account under the API Key section. Copy and paste it into the bearer token field. Now, add a body parameter, profileId, and for its value, drag and drop the LinkedIn URL field from the Google Sheets node. Execute the step to fetch the LinkedIn user's profile details. Next, add another Google Sheets node, select Update Rows, and configure it with the same Google Sheet. Under Column to Match On, choose Row Number and drag the row number field from the Get Rows node. Set the status to In Progress, then execute the step. Now, add another HTTP request node for following users. On the configuration screen, select Import curl, visit ConnectSafely.AI/docs, and copy the follow user curl. Paste it into the HTTP node and import it. Provide authentication credentials as before. Add a body parameter, profileId, and for its value, drag and drop the profileId field from the Fetch Profile node. Execute the step. You'll see in the Output section, Success, True and Message, Successfully Followed User. Finally, add another Google Sheets node and select Update Rows again. Choose the correct Google Sheet. Set column to match onto row number and drag the row number field from the Get Rows node. Set status to Done, and for the message field, drag and drop the message field from the Follow User HTTP node. Execute the step. You can also add a schedule trigger to run the workflow automatically and a wait node if needed. Once everything is set up, execute the workflow. You'll see the confirmation message. Success, true and message, successfully followed user in the follow user HTTP node output.